Welcome back to the vlog. We're upside down here and we will turn you right side up. We're in the same clothes. Should we change?
No.
No? Alright. So
it's quarantine style.
It's quarantine style. You don't change your clothes every 2 days? Every other day you change your clothes? And once a week a shower. No.
No.
Seriously, we are doing tie-dyeing. I don't know how to do tie. I don't think I've ever done tie-dyeing.
No, never when you were a kid?
No, my mom failed.
I did do tie-dyeing, but it was like that like super colorful like stuff that you just tie-dye but never wore. You know?
Yeah.
Like just for fun.
Yeah, these now it's like trendy.
Yeah.
It's like it's in and out, right?
I think so.
Well, now it was like it was hippies. Now it's like.
But before it used to be like crazy colors, like really dark blue and like bright, and now it's like colors here more.
Yeah. So let's see what we got here. We ordered from what, Amazon and some other sites. So we got what? This is like a light sweatshirt. It was like freezing cold when we ordered all this stuff, so we were like, oh, we need jackets and sweats. So there's a light sweater
like
here.
A
crop top. And
I got 2.
Do I get a crop top too?
No.
Oh, damn.
I got 2 because I want to do some different colors.
And then we got.
This is just like Hanes for men, but I got 2 medium. Because I like my sweatshirts oversized sometimes too. So this is another one of the same one. These are Jonathan's joggers.
Yeah. Some sweats.
And then these are mine. I got 2. These. They look so small.
Oh yeah, I remember. They're see-through too. No.
They're super small and see-through.
What brand is this? Boom Booma?
It's called, it's
Boohoo.
Boohoo. They're a size 4, but they're like, look at this. Like,
Yeah, it's a small waist.
so small.
It fits you, right?
It does.
Okay, cool.
So we're gonna try it. I don't know this material, how it's gonna take the color.
Stefy says it takes 24 hours. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Aiden, what are you up to? And we lost somebody. She's out. Okay, so here's the materials you need if you want to do a tie-dye. You need like
These are just like the colors that I got.
Amazon or
Yeah.
Amazon, rubber bands, some bottles, some
to
gloves.
not stain your hands.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to have the bottles that have like that little thing so you can squirt on, but we don't have those, so we're just gonna do it with this.
Okay, that'll work. So what's step 1?
Well, so I think we should put these, I'm gonna put plastic bags here so we can work on top of it.
Do you want?
See.
Okay. Stay.
No, I'll later after.
Huh?
Yeah, later. Thank you.
Are you just gonna film me or are you gonna...
Okay, Stefy is ahead of the game here. We had to put some trash bags down, like Dexter style, and then she wet it.
You have to, the clothing has to be damp. That's like on the video I saw. I mean,
Okay.
I'm going off of a video that I saw.
Okay. But it's not all damp. Is that normal? There's some dry spots. It's fine. Alright.
And then you need to put hot water in some type of container.
Okay.
The reason why is because
Apparently.
you want to make enough of the color that you're going to use so that your sweatshirt doesn't end up all different. I mean, you could, different shapes. So for Jonathan's, I think we're going to go with
These two.
we're going to do, you want to do 2 colors in one?
Yeah, I don't think I want pink.
No.
I mean, pink looks cool. Like yours looks cool, like the one you made or you bought, but
I think we should just make yours like a dark blue.
just one blue?
Yeah. This blue. That's why I bought it.
But what's that one?
But this one and your joggers, because you want them to match, no?
Okay, so I'm just doing one.
Yeah.
Can we redo it if we mess up?
We'll have to run our clothes.
But can we just re-dye it or no? Yeah. Alright, well, maybe we'll do just blue for now
I
for
mean,
me, and then we'll do.
This is for fun. I mean,
No, I want to sell. I'm trying to make a profit.
Here, why don't you damp this?
So if you guys know me, it's how you monetize it. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, we're gonna just do it for fun and have and see how it comes out. Maybe it will be a business. I don't know. Maybe it will be like worth like $2 grand or something, Gucci or something, you know. Gucci will buy our signature tie-dye line.
That would be cool.
All right, so Stefy got it wet, and now she's twisting it.
Well, it's just like, I don't want it to be too wet.
Okay.
But it absorbs the water, so. Okay. And
I'm just following along. I didn't watch the video.
I don't know exactly if I'm doing it right, guys. Like, this is our first time doing it. It's just, like I said.
Oh, we have, someone's paying attention to this project. Should we tie-dye him?
Yeah. We could put blue spots. Would you like that?
Okay, make sure you guys wear gloves because you're gonna stain your hands. You don't want to have blue hands for like a week.
No.
And then,
no.
yeah, and then you don't want to like, you know, be whatever. All right, what you want to do is get a bowl of water, get the dye, and then get a white towel that's gonna be damaged.
Yeah,
and
because
you want to test the color, Stefy told me,
yeah,
which makes sense. You don't want to like, poof, throw it on there and then that's it, right?
What if it's not the shade you want? And, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Here we go.
How dark blue do you? I think like a pretty cool dark brown would be cool. I mean,
Dark
blue,
brown? I don't
blue.
like brown. No.
Like a pretty dark blue.
What are you doing? Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
You put it in here.
Okay.
Because we want to make enough.
I have no idea what's going on here. Walk me through this.
We want to make enough water for the sweatshirt and the pants, but you want to match the color, so you got to make a big thing of it.
Okay. But are we testing it?
Yeah. Okay. So like,
I'm nervous.
do you want it that blue? Remember when we wash it, it's gonna look lighter. So you want it darker?
Well, I want it to match my car.
Oh, then we need the whole bottle.
That's like a light baby blue. You know, I want like maybe like this, no?
Darker?
We're
A little
getting
darker.
there. But do you have like gold flakes in there too, or? That's close. And then we wash it, it gets lighter?
Yeah. You want it darker?
Yeah.
I think that's good.
It's not much.
Different.
Well, I mean,
Okay, we could just use the whole bottle.
I mean, I don't think that tint is not like this.
No.
No,
No.
it's not like that at all.
Oh, let me see.
Try that.
I think that's good.
That's good enough, yeah. So I'm gonna go with the last one. How much did we use? Like,
Almost the whole bottle.
oh wow. All right, next up is you want to get a chemistry little filter. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, oh. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Where do I throw that in there? Drop it?
No, don't drop it. Put it on the towel.
Okay, so now you fill up the bottle with your dye.
I was gonna do both so we could both do it, or we just.
So what do you mean? Then you just squirt it. Why do we have so much though?
Because we're gonna do this, we're gonna do the pants.
Okay.
Yeah, I might have done too much, but it's okay, whatever. Oh.
Where? Would you drop? Oh my god, and you're wearing white? Don't wear white when you're doing tie-dye. Now this is a tie-dye shirt. Oh my, I put the camera down, I have to help her. We are back. So now we're gonna do like a cloudy method, tie-dye style. I kind of like it. I saw like something online that I like. It's Stefy is doing her magic. She's scrunching it up, you know, kind of like that. And now she's doing some rubber band work. I'm lost. What are we doing? Where's the color? Don't we put the color?
Yeah, you gotta scrunch it up. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. You gotta
It's like a sub sandwich.
try out what you want. And then this is annoying because
All right, it's tie-dye time. Put the gloves on. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, that much?
yeah.
Wait, I want purple. Stop. Wow, look at that wrist action. That's it?
Well, for that bottle, we still gotta flip it around.
Okay. But that's all blue now.
Babe,
Are we doing the other side?
yeah.
Are we doing it right?
There's no right or wrong in tie-dyeing. You just do it.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. I like it. I'm here just for the show.
I think it's looking cool. No?
Yeah. And then you wash it or
Okay, so then what the girl did of the video that I was watching is she like grabbed it and she like kind of undid it and then she looked and if she wanted, like it's pretty blue.
yeah.
Like you see right there, it's like pretty white. So like, do you want more blue or you want it like that? See?
Can we just do a preview or no? Or no?
Yeah. Like you want more blue right there?
Well, I don't want it all blue.
See? Look.
I think it looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it looks cool.
All right.
Thank you.
So then.
But what the hell are we gonna do with all that blue? What the fuck? What? Anyone comment down below who you want to dye-dye? We gotta put soup. Look at this thing. Alright. Make sure you measure a little bit better.
Yeah, I overestimated.
And now you put it in a trash bag and then
Well, this is what the girl did, and I think it's like such a good idea. You literally just like grab it and you just leave it like this till tomorrow.
alright. And then you wake up with new clothes.
And then you wake up and you just wash them in cold water.
But then
like,
will the color come out or no? A little bit.
it fades a little, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey guys, I found a white shirt in my closet and now we are doing a tie-dye on that because we have so much blue. I just want to try out different ways. So we did one shirt cloudy and then this shirt's going to be a spiral.
Or
So
we tried.
We moved it like that. What do you mean we tried?
Okay, baby.
Okay, so now I'm going to rubber band it. We'll just wing it.
Yeah, it's tie-dye. No,
It's tie-dye. So let me show you how I'm going to do it.
Okay, go.
I'm going to use it like seasoning, like just like a sprinkle there.
It's
Is
not
that the
gonna.
right technique?
No.
No? What?
You gotta just squirt it.
Well, I'm going to do seasoning. This is just a random shirt, so. A little salt, a little pepper.
Careful.
A little darker in one spot, maybe. A little darker over here. I don't know. Maybe over there.
You gotta turn it over.
Real good.
These are the only bottles we have. Don't do that, okay?
Okay. Now, again? The whole thing.
Yeah. So then I'll just let it sit there and then yeah, like tie this side over there.
What, can we do a sneak preview or no?
No, not on this one.
All right, we're working our way on the pants. I don't trust myself doing this, so I have my trusty good hand wife here. She scrunched up these sweatpants. She's tying them up like this. So basically you scrunch it like from top to bottom, right?
Yeah. And then
Yeah, if you wanted like a twist, you just twist the...
I don't know about the twist on the pants, to be honest.
I think that would look weird.
Yeah.
I think the cloud is like the way to go.
Yeah.
So let's apply the blue. Just maybe I'll help
I
you.
think for this one we're gonna need a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're thicker. So.
All right, I am losing pieces of clothing. I stained everything, so just kidding. And we are back into the vlog here. Steffi's doing a sweatshirt now. She's gonna do like a tri-color. This is like some extra material that she had, so we're gonna do like a little bit of experimenting with the colors. So instead of using a big, gigantic bowl of blue, we're gonna use two small ones of here. One of teal and one of red, or pink, right?
Yeah, pink.
So
the
yeah.
teal looks kind of similar to the blue.
Yeah, and her deal is she's gonna have one blue crop top, one pink, right?
Yeah.
So one blue or teal, one pink, and then she's gonna match it with this, so kind of all one color. And this is
the
just...
teal is like just blue.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It looks the same. What the hell?
I know.
Well, that looks like red.
Yeah.
Guys, I am signing off. Steffi's gonna continue her experiment, and we'll catch you guys back tomorrow to see the final results.
Hopefully they turn out good.
Yeah, hopefully they turn out pretty cool. I think so. But yeah, then you have to wash them, then let them dry, then you can wear them. So super excited to see these tie-dye outfits. We'll take some pictures tomorrow with some outfits and see how they came out. And let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna eat ice cream, knock out, go to bed, and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Okay, good morning, guys. This is the day after we did our tie-dye. And this is how it turned out. So that's one of the shirts we did. Those are his sweats.
Came out good, right guys? We're like a cloud. And Steffi.
This is mine.
Steffi's like a cloud.
This is my blue one, and then I have the pink one. That turned out good.
A little tight, no?
Yeah, the pants are tight. I could have gone a bigger size. This is the pink one. I have the pants too. They're I wore them already. I wore this outfit already, but yeah. So here's the pink one. I've worn this one like 2 times.
Came out good?
Yeah.
Where's the pants?
Pants are up there.
Oh, that's my favorite one.
Welcome to our closet, guys. Okay. Now these are the pink pants.
Very nice. How much are we charging?
I haven't decided yet. And this one's really cool.
Whoa. Awesome. Took about 1 day to make, 24 hours. And then here's my collection of clothes here. We have a sweater that's matching, and we have a little darker one for this. And that's it, right?
Yeah.
You made a shirt.
Jonathan really liked this one because he put all his tie-dye here, but he went and hid this one from you.
Yeah, I put it on my side. I really like it.
Aquí donde le pachurro.
No, nada más.
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the Golden channel, and I hope you liked our video of our outfits that we made. And we'll put everything we bought in the link down below, and see you on the next video.
Bye.